A vitamin is an organic molecule that is an essential micronutrient which an organism needs in small quantities for the proper functioning of its metabolism. Vitamins play a key role in the changes that take place in our body. Vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. It is important to know about these and the diseases they cause. Being aware of these and taking foods containing these vitamins can stave off many ailments. Vitamin A, retinol. Function: it contributes to eyesight, useful for pregnancy, contributes to bone growth, helps to brighten the skin. It uses for new cell growth. Deficiency symptom: vitamin A deficiency in our diet can lead to blindness and can cause short-sightedness. Short-sightedness in low light or at night. Symptoms include blurred vision, dryness and roughness. Food sources: carrot, asparagus, lettuce to sprout, well-ripe mango, tomato, papaya fruit, butter, ghee milk. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Function: growth, fertility, digestion, helps to convert carbohydrates to energy. Deficiency symptom: symptoms of the vitamin B1 deficiency in our diet include loss of appetite, numbness of the hands and feet, palpitations, fatigue, and lethargy. Food sources: nuts, peanut, meat, eggs, waffle rice, and salted rice. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. Function: energy use. This converts food into energy. Deficiency symptom: the defect can cause sores on the tongue, cracked corners of the lips, burning of the eyes, and scaling of the skin. Food sources: greens, gums of the plants, milk, liver, eggs and vegetables. Vitamin B3, niacin or nicotinic acid. Function: aids many enzyme reactions that convert food into energy. Deficiency symptom: pellagra, dermatitis, forgetfulness, memory impairment. Somnambulism means waking up from sleep. Diarrhea, the leading cause of death in young children in the world. Food sources: a fungus called yeast, peanut, sweet potato, milk and eggs. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid. Function: it helps to release energy from fats and carbohydrates. Deficiency symptom: paresthesia and eye pain. Food sources: sweet potato, yeast and peanut. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Function: protein metabolism, preparation of hemoglobin and antibodies. Deficiency symptom: anemia. B6 deficiency is more common in breastfeeding mothers. decreasing number of red blood cells. Food sources: pulses, whole grains. Vitamin B7, biotin. Function: helps to digest carbohydrates and make fatty acids. Deficiency symptom: no appetite, anemia, scaly skin, weight loss and hair loss. Food sources: liver, kidney, egg yolks, milk, yeast. Vitamin B9, folic acid. Function: manufacture of red blood cells required for DNA metabolism. Deficiency symptom: anemia, cancer, diarrhea. Food sources: dark green vegetables, liver, kidney, fruits, peas and beans. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. Function: manufacture of red blood cells, growth, cell maintenance. Deficiency symptom: anemia and degenerative changes in the nervous system. Food sources: meat, fish and milk. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Function: preparation of protein called collagen, fixing broken bones, healing wounds, reassembling lost parts. Antivirus, controlling heart rhythm, cancer antioxidant, increases immunity, iron absorption, blood production, lowers cholesterol. Deficiency symptom: scurvy, that means swollen gums, bleeding, loose teeth, bone muscle pain, skin cracking. Vitamin C deficiency in our diet can lead to cold and serious infections, cracking of capillaries under the skin, dizziness and vomiting. Food sources: lemon, orange, tomato, amla, papaya, guava. It is found mostly in green vegetables. Vitamin D, cholecalciferol. Function: bone formation. Deficiency symptom: skeletal deformation, pigeon chest. Food sources: fish and milk. Vitamin E, tocopherol. Function: prevents certain compounds from being oxidized. Deficiency symptom: vitamin E deficiency in our diet can lead to poor sperm development in men and miscarriages in women. Food sources: fruits, vegetables, seeds, sunflower seeds, cotton seeds, safflower oil, oil extracted from nuts and meat. Vitamin K, phylloquinone. Function: blood clotting. Deficiency symptom: blood does not clot quickly due to this vitamin deficiency. Doctors give this vitamin to patient during the operation. Food sources: egg yolk and green vegetables. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon.